parents involved in the college admissions scandal, including actress Lori Loughlin and her husband, have now been slapped with bribery charges by the Justice Department. This after the Monday deadline to accept a deal that has passed. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Bob Bianchi. Bob, so what are her options now?
I've been saying this from the beginning of this case. Lori Loughlin is playing with fire here. What the feds do is they do escalating plea offers. So they give you an opportunity, usually a show and tell, where they tell you what a little bit of the evidence is. They tell the attorneys what the plea offer is going to be. And if you don't accept it, they go into the grand jury. But what the feds do, and I can tell you this as a defense attorney practicing in this area, is that you must plead to the highest, most readily provable offense. So every time they go into the grand jury and ratchet those charges up, she's looking at greater exposure, and not accepting responsibility under the sentencing code doesn't give her those coveted reductions in the sentencing code like Felicity Huffman got that can give you a lighter sentence. So, as I like to say, to quote the great Mr. T, the more you wait, pain.
Ooh. Okay.
Did Mr. T say that?
He did.
It sounds to me like they're trying to squeeze her.
Well, you know, there's been that rumor that's gone on there, but actually what they're doing is giving her a break. What they're saying is that we have this memo that says if we go in and we get higher charges, you have to plead guilty to the higher charge. So we're giving you opportunities at each step of the way to plead guilty to the lesser charges. But the more you refuse, we go back in and supersede that indictment and get more charges.
Okay, it's just on the screen, conspiracy to commit mail fraud, money laundering, and the new charge, which is bribery. Got it. Okay.
All right. Now to this big story. This is only the second climate change trial in the United States. ExxonMobil is going to court. They are accused of misleading investors about the risks of climate change. What do we need to know about this, Bob?
Okay, so this is under the Martin Act, and this is going to be a pivotal case here because hundreds of thousands of documents that this business wanted to covet and keep internal have been released. And what essentially this Martin Act is saying, brought by the New York State Attorney General, is that there were fraudulent misrepresentations with regard to carbon regulations, and the company is basically saying, hey, investors, we got this covered. But in fact, the internal documents are showing that they had a different picture. So what they did was they gave assurances to investors which affected share prices. And so in essence, what they did was, it's alleged, had defrauded those investors with respect to the share prices.
I mean, there's a hashtag campaigns out there on this. It's a big deal. I mean, the New York Attorney General makes the case that, sure, Exxon can advocate for itself, one of the largest companies in the United States, but it's another thing to defraud investors and to lie to investors. So what are we going to find out here?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the allegations here was that in one part, internally, they were doing research about global warming and climate change, having recognized that it's an issue that will affect the bottom line. That's what this comes down to, dollars. It's going to affect the bottom line of the company. But outwardly, they were giving a different story, and that's where this whole case broke and why the lawsuit was brought.
What's Exxon's defense?
Exxon's defense is we didn't misrepresent. We were internally doing things that we would normally do with our scientists in order to make sure we had all our bases covered. But they clearly have indicated that we did not misrepresent, and we were not trying to make the value of the company look better so that the stock prices remain stable. We'll see.
A lot of people are going to be watching this one.
Absolutely.
Because there could be a lot more to come. All right, Bob, nice to see you.
Quoting Mr. T today.
You got to do it.
Well, I pity the fool. Nice to see you, Bob.
All right, guys.